Have you seen those viral AI-generated car crash videos on Instagram and YouTube Shorts? This Instagram page is getting millions of views and earning thousands of dollars, all by uploading just 25 videos. His most viral video has 195 million views on Instagram. Yes, 195 million. Another one got 120 million views from simple AI car crash animations. You can also create this kind of video and achieve quick success. In this video, I will share the step-by-step method for creating this kind of engaging car crash video. Before that, please subscribe to the channel. To create this kind of high-quality car crash video, we have to create high-quality images. And to generate the images, we need detailed prompts. We will use GPT-4.0 to generate the prompts. Once you are logged into your ChatGPT account, go to the prompt box. Now you have to ask it to generate prompts so that you can generate high-quality images. I will enter a ready-made prompt. However, you will find the prompt in our Discord server. Simply grab the link from the description box and join our Discord server. Now go to the prompt guide channel. Here you will find the car crash prompt. Open it and then expand the text file. Now copy the text and then go back to ChatGPT. Enter the prompt in the text box and then hit the send button. And here it is. You can see that ChatGPT is generating the prompt. Actually, it generates a set of prompts. First, this is the image generation prompt, and then we have the image to video generator prompt, and in the end, we get sound effects suggestions. Now you can ask for more prompts, and GPT will write all the prompts for us. Alright, now we will generate an image using this prompt and then turn it into a video using an AI video generator. Instead of using multiple platforms, I will use the ChatLLM team, where we can access all the LLM models, along with the image generator and the video generator tools. However, all the links will be in the description. Once you are on the ChatLLM homepage, click on the Get Started button and create an account. Once you are logged in, your interface will look like this. Here at the top of the page, you will find all the LLM models, including ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Claude Sonnet, Grok, and others. Yes, you can generate the prompts here using GPT-4 or any other model. Simply copy the prompt and hit the Enter button. And here it is. You can see the result. Okay, now let's move forward to image creation. To create images, select the image option below the prompt box. The image generation pop-up will appear. Now, first of all, we have to select the image generation model. Here you will find a bunch of options, including Flux, GPT Image, Imagine, Recraft, Ideogram, and others. Just select which one you want to use. I am selecting Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra. After selecting the image generator model, we have to set the number of images we want to generate. I am selecting 2. Next, here in this box, we have to enter the image generation prompt. Simply copy the prompt and paste it here. Now, if you want to modify the input prompt for improved image generation results, then keep it on. The next option is to generate better quality and realistic images. After that, you can upload a reference image. I am skipping this step. Next, we have image prompt strength. I will keep it at a moderate value. After that, you can add a seed number if you want. Finally, set the aspect ratio. I will go with the 9:16 ratio since I want to generate a video for shorts or reels. Once everything is set, hit the generate button and then wait for some time. I am fast forwarding the video. And here it is. You can see that Flux has generated 2 images for us. Honestly speaking, both images are pretty awesome. However, if you are not satisfied with the result, you can regenerate the images. You can even change the image generator model and then regenerate the image. For example, this time, I am using Ideogram 3 to generate the image. After setting all the settings, hit the generate button. And here it is. Our images are ready. These are also good images. Now select the best image and download it to your device. In this method, you can generate all the images using your preferred image generation model. Okay, our image is ready. Now it's time to generate the video. To do that, click on the More button from here. You will find a bunch of options. We have to select the Video Gen tool now. Like the image generation, you will find various AI video generator models here. Select the preferred one. I will select Kling 1.6 as it can generate 10-second long hyper-realistic videos. After selecting the video generator model, select the mode between Standard and Pro. I will go with Pro for better results. Now, go to the Start Frame option. Click here and then upload the image you downloaded just now. Once the image is uploaded, go to the prompt box. Here we have to enter the video generator prompt. Simply copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here in this box. After that, set the CFG scale. I'll keep it at a moderate value. Next, we have to select the aspect ratio of the video. Simply select 9:16. And finally, set the duration to 10 seconds. Once everything is set, hit the generate button. Now we have to wait for some time. I am fast forwarding the video. And here it is. The video is ready. Let's have a look. This is just amazing. It's a perfect video that we were looking for. So now you can create this kind of hyper-realistic video using the ChatLLM team. Okay, now click here to download the video. Alright, our video is ready. Now we need to add sound effects to make it perfect. You have to use a video editor to do that. You can use any video editor. I am using the CapCut video editor. You can use it for free. Import the video clip into CapCut. After that, go to the Music tab and then Sound Effects. Here you will find a vast library of sound effects. Search for sound effects according to ChatGPT's suggestions. You can use multiple sound effects to make it perfect. Next, if you want to add any effects, you can do that. Once you are done, hit the export button and export the video. Alright, our video is ready, and here is the final result. So now you can create this kind of hyper-realistic and viral-worthy video content using the ChatLLM team. And you only have to pay $10 to access all the features. If you are a content creator or want to gear up your AI content creation journey, you should try this platform. The link will be in the description. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience creating videos with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.